Good morning, everyone. This is Rajiv Kumar, Data Analytics Instructor at Bulliga Services. In today's video, I will be talking about where clause in MySQL. So let's begin. Before starting the video, मैं आपको ये बताना चाहता हूँ कि हम कुछ भी करते हैं उसका हमें पर्पस पता होना चाहिए, right? So the purpose of the where clause is to filter the data. For example, you have got say 50,000, 15,000 rows, fine? And instead of that, you want only 100 rows. So what you will do? You will filter the data. So that is what we will look at in this video. So I have already created a table because our main goal is to look at the where clause. तो यहाँ पे मैंने एक table create किया है under a database called SQL where exp and I have used this database. और जिस भी database को हम use करते हैं, as you can see, it is highlighted here. Okay, now I have created a table called employees where the name of the columns are employee ID and the data type is integer and it is primary key. The name, it is varchar, and the length of the character is 50. And the same is for department, salary, city, and experience. I have inserted some sample data. In fact, there are 10 rows here which I have inserted in the same sequence which is used for which has been used in the table. Now, so first of all, I will be using basic where clause. For this, I will write select asterisk from. Now asterisk is, represents all. Okay, so it will give you the values of all the columns. Select asterisk from employees where say department, where department is equal to IT. Now all these people belong to the IT department. So this is a basic where clause. So it has filtered only the people who belong to the IT department. The second is where with and. Now here I will be using two columns conditions. Where say department is IT, department is equal to IT, and say salary, and salary belongs to another column. Say salary is greater than 60,000, right? So all both these conditions should meet, otherwise result won't come. So as you can see here, you can verify it that the department is IT everywhere, and you know the salary bears the value greater than 60,000. For let's say, let me make any value incorrect, like let me give a value which is not present in the data, so it won't give you anything. So for and, you need to have both the conditions true. Clear? Okay, now after this, the third one, we'll be talking about where with or. For this, I will be writing the same, right? Select asterisk from employees where department is equal to IT or department is equal to finance. So here we can see the data is only for the department because we have committed some mistakes here. So और के केस में होता क्या है कि अगर एक कंडीशन भी ट्रू है, you will get the result. So we need to inspect where we have committed the mistakes, like department finance की spelling may be incorrect हो, finance. Now here you can see both IT and finance, the people who belongs to the IT and the finance department both. Clear? Okay. After this, where with between. Okay. Now select asterisk from employees where So let's say I'm talking about the salary which belongs to 50,000 and between 50,000 and 70,000, where salary between say 50,000 and 70,000. Fine. So it will include the data which is between 50,000 and 70,000. This is how we write for and. And here we have used where with between, but for using between you need to use and also because between includes both. After this, where within. Okay. Select, sorry, asterisk from employees where so I have to use in. Okay. So where city in. So in basically give you a list of the cities. तो जो भी cities का मैं यहाँ पे list बनाऊंगा उसी cities का data हमारे पास आएगा. Clear? Now let's say for Delhi. Now, but whatever data I am giving here, it should be present in the table. Delhi, and let's say Mumbai, and let's say Bangalore. Split. Let's close this. So here you can see the cities Delhi, Mumbai, but not Bangalore. So maybe we would have committed a mistake for in the spellings. Let me check the spelling what I have entered there. Bangalore. I think it is A. No, it is okay. Bangalore. So it works like or. For example, if for example there is a data which is not present, but it will give you another data which is true there. Now the next is where with like. Now like is a pattern. Let's say किसी का नाम A से start होता है तो we can fetch the data based on that. Let's see how we do this. Select asterisk from employees where okay where name like. Now let me give a pattern and pattern I will be giving inside the quotes where name like A and percentage. So it will give you the data in such a way that जिनका भी नाम A से start हो रहा है उनका नाम यहाँ पे आपको appear होगा. As you can see, Amit and Anjali. Got it. Okay. Now after this, where with null. Now, but before using this, let me check my data whether null values lies there or not. Wait a second. So here I don't have null. So let me create a null value first. Say let me insert a new row which contains null somewhere. Okay. Now insert into the name of the table, employees, then values, and I need to check कहाँ कितने आईडी तक हमने डाला हुआ है यहाँ पे डेटा एंटर किया हुआ है दैट इज 10. So we'll insert 11 and after this in the same chronology I'll put the data. So 11, let's say Rahul, the name, and after this let me give a null value. Null. Okay. Then let me give the salary amount, that is 48,000. And after this, the city, Chennai, okay, and 2. Okay, second, 11 Rahul, null, 48,000, Chennai, and 2. I have committed a mistake here. Employee's name, EMPLOY double E. Sorry. Now it is okay. Now you can check here that it contains null department. Right? Now, so where with null? So how to do it? Select asterisk from employees where department is null. Okay? So here you are getting where the department is null. एक डिफरेंस ये है कि हम डिपार्टमेंट इज इक्वल टू नल नहीं लिख सकते. वी कैन नॉट राइट लाइक दिस. द रीजन इज नल इज नॉट अ वैल्यू. ओके, सो वी नीड टू राइट is null. Got it? Now after this, let me write query for the experience greater than equal to 3 years. Now for this, select asterisk from employees where department is greater than equal to 3. Sorry, really sorry. I'm talking about the experience, right? Okay. What is the spelling there? Wait a second. Let me check. Okay, this is the spelling, right? So अगर आप spelling में mistakes कर देते हो, that will give you wrong results. As you can see here, the people who are having the experience greater than 3 are there. Now let me write another query for fetching the data where high salary employees in data analytics. I'll be having two conditions. One is data analytics and the another one is the salary. So I'll be using the both. Select asterisk from employees, okay, where department is equal to data analytics and the same time I'll have to use and because I need to meet the both the conditions, and salary say greater than 65,000, right? Again mistakes in spelling. So here you can see only Priya matches this condition where her department is data analytics and salary is greater than 65,000, that is 68,000. Okay, so we have talked about where clause. So this is what it is for today. So stay tuned and watch more. Thank you.